Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to underline text in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so currently Adobe Express does not have a direct underline option for text like you are familiar with other software that you're using. However, we're going to show you how we can still create the effect of underline text using a workaround. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse amazing templates to begin your work. Or if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click this button. Now, I have added the text here. All right, so this text right here, if you can see it. Now, normally, for example, in Microsoft Word, all you have to do is press Ctrl plus U, and you would be able to underline the text, right? But here in Adobe Express, it's kind of limited, and we don't have that kind of option. All right. You see, there is one underline here. All right, that's another way for you to underline text right here by clicking in the text and, of course, the section right here, bold, italic, and underline. All right, so that's one way. Another way is copy that text. All right, for example, it's not underlined. You can manually use a shape here. For example, go to the element section. I want you to go to the recently used elements. We're going to choose something like a line. You see that one, right? And of course, you can drag it all the way here. Now, the idea is this one, you can, of course, choose a different color, all right? You can choose from any of the colors that you wanted. So you can customize the underline. Because here in the first one, you don't have the option to do it because you can only choose a different color for your text. For example, a blue one. And the underline for that is going to be blue as well. Wherein in the second option is if you want to retain the original font color, for example, black, and you want the underline for your text, it's going to be something like maybe something like a pink. So you have that option and leverage and freedom, all right? Although your option is limited, these are going to be some of the workarounds for you to be able to achieve all of these effects. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.